You start the recording. So आजा. Yeah. So next half of the first inning for scoring comments is starting now. Anvesh is on strike. Anurag is on non-strike. Bowler name. Bowler name. Sandeep is the new bowler from Velociraptors. So at the start of the second inning we are Venkat.
Okay.
So
Venkatesh.
New bowler is Venkatesh. Sorry for the confusion. And a very good shot by Anvesh for 4. Very good shot.
4.
First ball of the second half by Anvesh. Hit for 4.
Hey, who is Nikita?
And Venkat is getting messages from Nikita.
Commentators.
Yeah, new commentator has joined us. Mr. Lakshma, who has scored 20 runs in today's match. 2 boundaries.
Hey, stage A.
గార్డ్ ఉందా మనోడికి
4 కొట్టావు నెక్స్ట్ బాల్ రొటేట్ చేయి.
గార్డ్ లేదా
And some bad
గాడి కావాలా?
shot selection by Anvesh, resulting into ball contact.
లేదా వాళ్ళు అసలు బేసిక్గా గాడి లేకుండానే ఆడతారు.
So the batsman is asking for water.
they have it
Seems like his sensitive area has been
ఏ గాడి
reached.
కావాలా?
they have water this leaking
Sensitive region breached for Anvesh.
గాడి
Is he not wearing the guard? Venkat, is he not wearing the guard?
you can when he comes back you can feel it
So Anvesh is not wearing a guard. Maybe, yeah, he's not. Just confirmed by Venkat.
if he wants to come back I think
So he,
కూర్చున్నాడు ఆయన రిలాక్స్ అవుతాడు.
so Venkat is sacrificing his guard for his friend. He is going to hand over his guard. He just took it out of his bag and going to give it to the batsman Anvesh.
safe to play without a guard
Yeah, sometimes. So during practice matches, even I play mostly without the guard, but it's always better to play with the guard because sometimes it's just, even though you're the best batsman, you can get tricked by a ball.
ఇంట్లో ఒకటి కొత్తగా ఉన్నట్టుంది కదా
So Venkat, a very good friend of Anvesh, has sacrificed his guard. Maybe,
no he has sacrificed my cover guard's cover
oh my God! So we have really innovative players here. So he has put his guard in his cover and given it to Anvesh.
yeah my cover is
గాడ్ షేరింగ్.
So that's the level of cleanliness we have in our team today. See, our players are so, like, the brotherhood of our players, sharing guards. And just informed by Lakshma here, Venkat wears it without the underwear.
just guard we used to share langots also
And are you scoring or not? And a very good shot, but
2 Anurag go.
no. Anvesh won't be able to run because he has.
he has 3 balls right now
థర్డ్ బాల్ పెయిన్.
So 2 balls, regular balls, 1 ball for pain. That's the comment from Rishabh.
నో
So the fielders say they are able to hear something, but
Yeah, car sound.
Rishabh is also saying that he also heard something, but
Car sound.
the umpires are not convinced, so Anurag will play. And he tried to flick the ball on the leg
Over.
side. 11 overs, what's the score? 11 overs, 84 runs.
I think it should be 85, right?
So Venkat is trying to increase the score here.
No. 10 overs,
10 overs, 82 runs.
80.
Yeah, 80, sorry. 10 overs, 80 runs.
Now 1
First
4, 1
ball,
single.
4.
Where is that single?
And there is one
Cancel
single.
కొట్టే ఇది 1 కదా నేను 1 వేస్తే
Here.
undo.
One.
Let's do undo and
You will have to select the bowler.
Undo last
Add a
ball.
bowler in. Add a
yeah,
run in
no,
this.
I'll add 1 here.
Okay.
స్కోర్ మిస్ అవుతూ
Yes. నేను 1 వేసా అది 0 అని పెడుతున్నా
So this over, our score,
bowler UV yeah, okay.
our scorer is not up to the mark. He's making silly mistakes,
బ్యాట్
reducing the score of scoring Comets by 1 run. Just adjusted that. A very big shot by Anvesh, but caught in the deep off. He lost his wicket.
అదేంది గార్డు ఏంది ఆయన
Good
ఇన్నర్లో
performance.
పెట్టుకోలేదా
But he lost his wicket. Unfortunate.
Anvesh was in some kind of pain, so he just wanted to hit hard.
ఆయన ఏంది ఇన్నర్లో పెట్టుకోలే గార్డు
You just wasted my cover for one ball.
So Rishabh's cover wasted for 1 ball, and
Fielder
Venkat's
name?
cut.
ఫీల్డర్ నేమ్
Dinesh. A good catch by Dinesh in the deep.
Sit. Don't move a lot.
So our new batsman on non-strike end is Ravi Vanam, captain for the game. Let's see his performance today. He's also a very good batsman on the offside. And a miss hit by Anurag Kumar. And a very good shot by Anurag for 4. A very good shot. So if Anurag plays for another 10 overs or 9 overs, whatever is left, I think he will easily cross 100 run mark today, and our team will cross 180. And it's a no ball. Let's see what. No, it's a no ball. Umpire gave the no ball. It's a free hit ball. It's a free hit ball. It was a no ball. Beamer. No ball given by the leg umpire. Let's see what comes of this ball from Ravi Vanam's bat. So our scorer is having some issues again. Let's see. Yeah. And he tried to hit the ball, not able to connect, but a good single. 92 runs for 4 wickets. 11.4 overs, 92 runs, 4 wickets. Anurag Kumar on strike, UV bowling. And a very big 6 by Anurag Kumar on the leg side. Taking the charge. 98 runs, 11.5 overs, 4 wickets. Let's see if we cross 100 mark in this over itself. 1 ball to go. So Anurag is in a very good form right now.
Hey, your Tamil is fine.
And the ball into the hands of the fielder on offside. A very good batting performance by Anurag Kumar. He must be very disappointed by this shot because he was set for a long time and he was able to connect and clear the boundaries easily.
47. This is half century.
So Anurag's score was 47 of how many balls? 47 of somewhere around 30 to 35 balls. 30 balls. So very good strike rate. Batting boy, batting. As I said, he is disappointed.
अरे you should have told me. I would have played slower.
अच्छा खेला, बहुत अच्छा था.
You know that. I know. I am not thinking about. No what? Man, I am trying to hit more as much.
Our next batsman is Rishabh Bansal.
Played like Suresh right now.
12 overs done.
The ball was very easy on the bat. It hit the edge.
12 overs completed. 98 for 5 wickets down.
बॉलर ने
98 for 5, 12.1 overs. New bowler is Venkatesh. And Anurag Kumar is very disappointed by his shot selection. बहुत सही अच्छा खेला.
अरे यार बताता तो मैं 3 रन लेता ना सालों.
अरे कोई नहीं.
47 पे.
Now Anurag Kumar is disappointed that no one told him that he was only 3 runs away from his half century. That would have been his first half century in this DCL season. So Rishabh is not able to connect so far.
अरे commentator साले.
And people are abusing the commentator here in the background. And that was the first run of Rishabh's bat. A very good shot. Ravi on strike. Now Harsha is saying something Tamdu. Harsha is saying something about Tamdu. Anvesh Tamdu. And a good ball.
I would have played 3 runs.
47. You know that, right? Before the break.
No, I didn't check it.
So good batting performance by the team overall. Harsha. And a good shot on the leg side. May cross the boundary. Not a 4. They will have to run for 2.
100 up, guys. 100 up.
100 up for scoring Comets.
100 up.
How many overs?
Target 70 more. 7 overs.
Venkat, overs? 13 overs, 101 for 5, scoring Comets. Rishabh on strike. Next bowler is UV.
Tell him your form reset.
Let him play a few practice matches and then.
Bowler name?
Comfortable అనుకుంటే
Venkat bowler.
అవి నాకు చెప్పాడు బ్యాక్.
Next bowler is Chaitanya. He is the bowler on which I gave away my wicket in the form of a simple catch to UV. So he does not have enough pace, but he is bowling on the off, and the strategy so far, as per my understanding, has been to make all the batsmen play on the offside. Anurag and Lakshma were a very good player on the offside. Another ball on the offside.
Wide. Keeper నిజాయితీ ఉన్నదమ్మా.
Fielders are appealing for a nick, not given out by the umpire. So far, Rishabh has not been able to connect the ball. I think he has played 4 or 5 balls, has made 1 run, was able to make contact only once with the ball and the bat. So our batting lineup still to go to bat is Harsha, Raghav, Vignesh, Santosh, and a catch given by Rishabh Bansal to the bowler.
No ball.
And Rishabh was not able to perform today. Hard luck for him. Ball and caught by the bowler Chaitanya. Venkat, what's the score? So looking very disappointed. Think he got hit on his fingers, thumbs.
You fucked up RV stacks.
Next ball by Chaitanya on the off, and
Not wide.
Raghav leaves it. Good thinking by Raghav. That was his first ball. Now let's see what Ravi and Raghav can do today. We still have roughly 6 overs to go, and a shot played by Raghav, bombed into the pitch, didn't go far away from the bowler,
Let the ball.
didn't get any runs. Was it a maiden over, Venkat? Not a maiden over as been claimed by the fielders. We got 1 run in this over.
साले हम कितना दौड़े ये exhausted हो रहा है उसमें.
After that 4, I couldn't take the video. They ran like 4 again.
And you say N ka in the last video साले.
Ravi on strike. Harsha is not feeling well because he has not gotten any confirmation whether he will be batting today or not by the captain. And a good shot for single run by Ravi. Raghav onto the strike now. Raghav is using the same bat as Anurag. A miss. So Raghav is swinging his bat but is not able to connect so far.
First ball, right? Dot.
A good connection for a single run. Misfield by the bowler. Harsha, what do you think will win today?
Win, man. If you bowl good. बैन करने का टाइम आ गया.
Now Anurag is
Go for 2.
joining us in the commentary
चुटिए
box.
से बॉल नहीं पकड़ाएगा हमको पता है. डबल ये लोडू है. ओके नहीं हो.
So new commentator joining us here, Anurag Kumar. He will be commentating in Hindi abusive language.
Commenting.
And a good shot by
Double.
Ravi for a single. So Ravi is able to connect the balls
Why is
nicely.
he not running?
Let's see if Raghav will be able to connect on this ball.
Yeah, it was a difficult run.
Misfield. Nice. Good shot for a single run. Venkat score.
Venkat score. साले वो रन ऐड कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है.
Even while batting out.
Venkat score. 107 for 15 overs.
Oh shit.
107 for 15 overs. And 6 wickets.
We scored 27. Last 5 overs.
So the run rate has dropped significantly after we lost the wicket of Anurag. So I think after spending maybe this over, and if Raghav and Ravi stay on the pitch, they will be able to connect the balls and clear the boundaries.
Bowler, guys, bowler.
So at this point we really need to cross 150 runs, and currently we are at 107. We still have 4 wickets in hand. So Raghav can easily clear the boundaries, but he's not been able to connect the ball so far. And a good shot and a good fielding by the bowler.
नहीं चाहिए हमको. आइए ना. कमेंट्री करके ही मानिएगा.
अभी आउट हो गया तो कर लेता.
भाई तो बहुत टाइम रह सकता था पता है.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, कोई नहीं. अच्छा खेला यार तब भी. अच्छा स्टार्ट मिला, लेकिन अभी देख क्या होता है.
ये मारता ही नहीं है इसका. डबल.
सिंगल सिंगल.
Ravi, easy double, dude.
No, not easy.
But I could run.
Yeah. We saw.
A good single by Raghav.
What, Saleh?
20 कह रहा है.
You are not also saw.
ए साले.
And a very
Nice
good
shot.
shot by Ravi for 2 runs.
Now, two, man.
Let's see if they will be able to convert it into. No,
Yeah, you
it's
saw.
just a single.
Yeah, that's okay. Play again.
Zoom out क्यों नहीं कर रहा थोड़ा?
अभी सारे ऐसे ही हैं. एक ही फ्रेम है सबका. वो रवि चेंज कर रहा था, मैंने चेंज नहीं
हाँ
किया.
मत करना चेंज फालतू ऐसे. जबरदस्ती चेंज क्यों करना?
ये इस
थोड़ा-
पे HD क्वालिटी में दिखेगा.
हाँ
चला कि नहीं प्रोजेक्टर?
वो गंदा है.
And a very good shot by Raghav.
Awesome.
This was the first ball he was able to connect properly, and I think it did not go for 4, but they were able to run 2 runs. Batting, boys, batting, come on!
Commentator should not cheer for the same team.
Commentator is the same team.
You have to be unbiased.
So scoring comment players are saying that the commentator should be unbiased. And a very good shot again by Raghav, but will get only 1 run. So the connection between the bat and the ball doesn't sound really good. Maybe it's something to do with the bat Raghav is using. Maybe he has not played much with that bat. So Ravi is doing sensible batting, but now I think we are at a stage where we need boundaries.
Four check.
One ball.
1-1-2. 1-1-2.
1-1-2 for 16 overs,
16.
6 wickets, 16 overs and 112 runs. Raghav on strike, Ravi on non-strike. Last 4 overs. We still have 4 wickets to go.
Don't send all the hitters together. I keep saying.
So Vignesh is trying to prove his point here. Never send all hitters at the same time to bat.
Case in point.
And a good single by Ravi and Raghav. 113 for 16.1 overs, 6 wickets down. And the keeper has changed. No, I take that back. So UV and the keeper are wearing the same jersey. I got confused by that. And a very good shot by Ravi, but will only get a single run. The fielder shouting that it was a very good ball, but it was on the leg side. Ravi was able to convert it into a single. I think Raghav will be able to connect now because he has been on the pitch for some time now. So he is able to connect all the balls now, although the balls are not going very far, but he is able to convert every ball into a single run now. That's a good thing because we will be getting loose balls in the middle which can be converted into boundaries by set batsmen. Now a good shot by Ravi and a very good piece of fielding by the fielder on the deep onside. He dived onto the ball, saved 2 runs for his team.
Ravi, bad luck.
But a very good shot by Ravi Vanam, captain for the day,
Good fielder, man.
for scoring comments. And now Ravi is trying to be very innovative with his shot selection. But not able to connect.
Keeper wide.
Scoring comments, players commenting from behind, even though it's not a wide call by the umpire, challenging umpire's decision. Swing and a miss. That was 3 balls in a row by Ravi. And that's the end of 17th over. Last 3 overs to go. Score check.
Overs, guys, last 3 overs.
Score. Venkat, score. 118 for 17 overs.
Bowler UV.
6 wickets down. Now I think they should unleash the beast. They should not be scared of losing wickets. We have 4 more wickets and it's a no ball. But it appeared to be a no ball from this distance, but the leg umpire has not given it to be a no ball. And the new bowler is UV. So the scoring comments team is very disappointed by the decision of the umpire, which is not a no ball. And a very good shot by Ravi Vanam for 4.
Good shot.
A very good shot by Ravi Vanam for 4. I think now he is utilizing the line and length of the bowler. Although the ball is not having the pace to clear the boundary, Ravi is powerful enough. He was able to clear the boundary on this ball. Let's see what he will do for the remaining balls of this over. And a swing and a miss.
Not the ball.
Venkat, what's the score? Venkat, score. Venkat. Venkat, score. Lakshma, score.
123 for 6.
123 for 6. And another dot ball. So we had scored 80 runs in the first 10 overs. And we have been able to score 43 more runs in the next half. We still have 2 point some overs left to be bowled by Velociraptors. And a good shot by Ravi Vanam for 4. And this time the ball has crossed the boundary. This time the ball has crossed the boundary. A very good shot by Ravi Vanam.
Good shot.
127 for 6. And a 6. He cleared the boundary for 6 on the onside. A very good shot by Ravi Vanam.
अरे कहाँ रहे हो? एक ओवर बचा है ना.
2 more overs to go.
Over.
18 overs, 133 runs. Last 2 overs to go.
Over.
133.
133.
Last 2 overs.
Last 2 overs, we get 20 runs.
Bowler. Dinesh, bowler. Dinesh.
Dinesh is the next bowler. Raghav is on strike. 2 overs to go. 4 wickets in hand. Scoring comments at 133. Let's see the first ball. And a shot
2-2.
for a single. Second denied by Raghav. Let's see if Ravi is able to clear more boundaries in this over. And a good shot by Ravi for 2 runs. But it's a run out. The next batsman is Harsha. A very good batting performance by Ravi. He must be very disappointed by the call. A run out. But very good batting performance by Ravi Vanam today. A good throw from the deep from Leela. Good shots, Ravi, good shots.
Bro, we name it, bro.
Let's see what Harsha can do today. A swing and a miss by Harsha.
Come on.
Harsha, 6 easy.
Harsha, singles will also do. Good batting performance by Ravi here. And a shot by Harsha for a single.
Yeah, got you.
So score of scoring comets is 135. Somewhere around 8 more balls to go for scoring comets innings. And an inner edge from Raghav's bat for 2 runs. And a good 2 runs. 137. Last ball of this over. 137 for 18.5 for 7 wickets. Down. 3 more to go. 7 balls left. Let's see how many more runs can the scoring comets team can add to the final score here. And a good shot by Raghav, but only for a single. So 136 for 19 overs. 138 for 19 overs. 7 wickets down. Last over for scoring comets.
130.
138
138.
for 7. Last over. And the bowler is Chaitanya. Chaitanya.
No, bowler name.
138 last over. 6 balls to go. Raghav on strike. Harsha on non-strike. And a miss and a hit. Not a wide ball. Last 5 balls to go. And a nick by Raghav. Next batsman is Santosh.
You have to wear. I'll go otherwise.
Ganesha. Vignesh kaada.
Good batting by Raghav.
Srinivas Malyampudi.
Last 4 balls to go. New batsman on strike is Santosh. Let's see what he can do. He's also a new player in scoring comets team. First ball for him. And a swing and a miss. Last 3 balls to go. Chaitanya bowling. Harsha on strike. Santosh on strike. Score of scoring comets is 138.
Maiden over, guys. Come on.
What's the score?
138.
No, ball one wide. Six.
And now Harsha is back on strike. Let's see if he'll be able to connect this ball. I think more important is he gets any run. So he was not able to connect on this ball. This is going to be the last ball of the match. And I hope that he gets 1 run. Last ball of scoring comets inning. Chaitanya bowling, Harsha on strike. And a strike. And I think they will go for 2. And they will convert this into 3 runs. And he is out. So we'll only get 2 runs. But so this is Anurag Kumar.
Coming in between the camera.
So total final score of scoring comets is
Santosh, why are you not running on the
141.
field?
141.
141 for 9
Okay,
20 overs.
stop the recording.
अरे 20 हो गया